Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video I'm going to share with you a 30-day plan to prepare for IELTS exam at home. This video is divided into 4 sections, so let's start the video. Your main focus in the week 1 should be to clear your basics and learn the methods to solve IELTS questions. This is the study plan for week 1. In the morning you should start your preparation with listening, and in listening also you should focus on particular question types on different days. Like on day 1 you should focus on blanks, and on day 2 you can focus on MCQ, and this pattern should be followed for different question types. And after that you can take a rest of 1 hour and start your reading preparation. In reading also you should follow the same pattern, like you should start your preparation with the list of heading on day 1, and on day 2 you can do true false not given, and same as for other question types. After that take a rest of 1 hour, start your speaking preparation. If you have any query, like there is no one in your home who can help you for speaking, you should take your mobile phone and record your voice. And after that you can take a look at that voice and find the mistake and try to rectify them. And after that you can also take help from Makkar PDF. For writing also you should follow the same pattern, like you should take particular question types on different days. Like on day 1 you can take pie chart and advantage disadvantage and try to know the structure and solve it by yourself. In week 2 you should do full-fledged listening, reading, writing and speaking, with as you already know the pattern. So you should start your morning with the one listening and finish your evening with one listening. And for reading you should try to solve 3 passages in 20 minutes, which will help you in increasing your speed. After that you should practice speaking. In speaking you should try to record your voice, and if you have someone who knows English, you should try to give speaking to that person. And for writing you can share your writing tasks with me on Telegram channel. I will try to give feedback on every writing task that I will receive. The last tip is that podcast and watch English movies. That will help you improve your listening, reading and writing abilities. There is nothing special in week 3, but you should challenge yourself by increasing the difficulty level of listening, reading, and writing. The material is all available on my Telegram channel. You can visit that and get it for free. Week 4 will be the final stage of your preparation. In this week, you should focus 3 days on clearing your doubts, and every day you should solve all modules. And if you have any problem you can share it with me. And one day before your exam you should definitely try to relax yourself, and one tip is that you should not feel overconfidence. And if you are sitting in exam you should take a deep breath and start your exam. You will rock. If you have any problem just comment down below or visit my Telegram channel. I am always there to help you guys.